Do you want to make more money and work less? If you're a business owner or entrepreneur, you'll learn how and why you should scale your business using AI, as well as some tips on how to do so. Let's get started. So, if you're new here, I'm Daniel, and I'm building an AI automation agency. I try to provide a real, raw look into building the business from scratch. So, if you like that kind of stuff, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. It helps out the channel and helps push videos to more people. If you want an update on where I am with the business, stay tuned. If you don't care about the business update, you can jump to this timestamp over here. What's up, y'all? So, business update from this last week. It was actually a pretty chill week in terms of the customer side of things. We didn't really have any more demos that we pushed out to people. Actually, that's not true. We did have one customer service demo that we sent to a customer. Or to a potential client. He hasn't gotten back to us yet. I don't think he's used it either because I haven't seen any we can see all the conversations on the back end, and we haven't been able to see any transcripts or anything like that on the back end from his solution. So I don't think he's used that yet. I followed up with him today to see if he's used it yet. If he had to take a chance, he hasn't responded yet. So hopefully that's still a lead there. But in other news, we did come up with a lead capture / appointment setting bot. So that one is pretty cool. It kind of just captures it's designed to capture as many of the traffic that's going to your website already, and then just trying to convert those, either capture them and send them to a backend CRM or book those calls on your calendar directly. So that solution's been completed. We do have a couple of clients that we want to send this out to and test it with, but the solution's completely built out, and we're actually we're trying to run an ad campaign to try to get more leads and make that be the solution that we push out to our new customers. So that's pretty much it. Like I said, it was a pretty slow week, but that's about it. So now let's talk about how AI can help your business. Start by automating routine tasks. AI can handle repetitive jobs like data entry, scheduling, or even basic customer service inquiries. But they can also automate more complex things like onboarding, outreach, prospecting, staff training, content generation like blogs or scripts, document analysis, and there's a lot more. Having these tasks automated for you allows you and your team more time to focus on more strategic tasks. For example, with onboarding, there might be a lot of tasks that you need completed in order to onboard a new client. So that could be things like signing the contract, creating a Google Drive folder, sending the link to that Google Drive folder to the customer. That way they can upload their signed contract, handling invoice creation and sending off the invoice to the client, handling the payment, and even setting up a Slack channel if that's something that your business does, right? So all of those different tasks that are necessary for your onboarding for a new client, those can definitely be automated using AI, the entire process. And we do have a few clients that are utilizing a solution similar to that. Another example would be content generation. So for content generation, that could be things like generating a blog with really good SEO. That could be something like generating a script for a YouTube video. There's plenty of AI tools out there that you can use right now to automate some of these tasks. The most famous being ChatGPT, but there's hundreds of other ones out there as well. For example, with the content generation, Jasper AI is another good one. I have a document with over 600 AI tools for various tasks. Comment down below if you want it or if you think I should make a video or a series of videos about them. AI's ability to transform customer experience goes beyond just convenience. Let's look at some compelling data that showcases the real impact of AI, particularly chatbots, in enhancing customer engagement, operational efficiency, and revenue. All the sources I use to gather this data will be in the description below. In the realm of e-commerce, chatbots have been a game changer. Businesses report high satisfaction levels with how chatbots have improved their customer service and marketing operations. Interestingly, average satisfaction rate for interactions solely with chatbots stands around 87.5%, slightly higher than those involving human agents. Operationally, chatbots have made a significant impact. Businesses find that chatbots can cut customer service costs by up to 30%. Furthermore, 64% of customer service agents who use AI chatbots can now focus on solving more complex use cases. This not only improves the efficiency of customer service teams, but also ensures that more intricate customer issues receive the necessary attention and expertise. We tell our clients that customer service solutions are only meant to handle about 70 to 80% of customer queries. Acceptance of chatbots is growing, especially among millennials. About 40% engage with chatbots regularly. Consumers in general are starting to trust chatbot recommendations for products, which opens new avenues for AI-driven marketing and sales strategies. The influence of chatbots extends to business revenue as well. Companies utilizing chatbots report an average increase in sales by 67%. This is a clear indication that chatbots are not just cost-saving tools, but also potent drivers for revenue growth, underscoring their positive impact on overall business performance. I will say though that for the sake of transparency that is an average and can be skewed by a few heavy hitters. The general point remains though that chatbots can have a positive impact on revenue as well. Chatbots are revolutionizing customer service, leading to significant cost savings, efficiency gains, and even more revenue increases. Their ability to handle high volumes of inquiries and provide 24/7 support enhances the overall customer experience. As these trends and data show, integrating AI in the form of chatbots into your business can lead to substantial benefits. Decision-making in business used to be a lot like following your gut feeling, but now it's all about the data. If you own a business, I'm sure I don't have to tell you that businesses collect heaps of data, and manually sifting through it all, that's an enormous task. Here's where AI can help. It's like having your very own data detective that sorts through all the data and gives you the facts. Our brains, as amazing as they are, can be tripped up by over 180 different cognitive biases. But AI doesn't have these biases. It's like holding up a mirror to your business, showing you what's really going on based on hard facts and figures. For example, if you have a suite of products and you want to pick which product you should focus your marketing budget on, you as a human being might have biases towards one product. You could have worked more on one product and have, this be your brainchild, this be your baby, so this be the product that you want to launch into the marketplace and have this large marketing campaign around. However, the data could suggest that nobody actually cares about your product, but actually likes this product instead. So if you're using data-driven insights, you would definitely much rather put your marketing budget towards the product that the public actually wants to consume rather than the one that you might like a lot that they don't really care about. The leading companies in business aren't just collecting data for the sake of it. They're using it to find new customers, set just right prices, and keep their customers coming back for more. It's like having a roadmap for your business, guiding you to make decisions based on what's valuable and doable. In a nutshell, mixing AI with data-driven decision-making is like giving your business a supercharge. It helps you see the big picture, uncover hidden gems in your data, and make great decisions. It's all about staying ahead of the game, being efficient, and driving growth. AI is not just a tool for efficiency, it's a driver of business growth and innovation. What we've seen in our agency, and as the data shows, AI can play a crucial role in scaling your business. If you want to get started implementing AI in your business, book a call on my calendar below and we can get started. If you have questions or experiences that you want to share, please comment them down below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time for more insights into AI in the business world. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.